Welcome to our channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. We are doing a new plan, so every Thursday we'll be releasing a Travel Thursday throwback video because we have a lot of 2019 footage to get through. So today's video comes from the Republic Square in Belgrade, Serbia. So we'll be walking from this square all the way through kind of downtown to the Belgrade Fortress Park, which is truly amazing. It is 360, so move your phone around, make sure you're getting the full experience. Okay, so we made it to the park, which is the Kalemegdan Park. Not sure pronunciation, but if you type in Belgrade Fortress into Google Maps, it will take you to this park. This park is massive. The views are amazing. So right now you're seeing the Sava River, and it just around the bend there, it connects with the Danube. So you have great views from the fortress, and you can see all the party barges that are along the river, which makes Belgrade have some entertaining nightlife. We did a pub crawl and ended up on one of the party barges. So if you want to know more about that, let us know in the comments. But again, the park is free and it is massive. There's so many trails, and it happens to have a fortress in it, which is pretty awesome. Hey, we made it to the Belgrade Fortress. There's many different levels to the fortress. You'll see a few today. We have more footage of the fortress just to show you how massive it is. It's just not all 360 footage. So if you want to see more, again, let us know in the comments. So the fortress itself was originally built in 279 BC. It has been built and rebuilt multiple times by multiple different empires, from the Romans, Byzantines, Ottoman, the Austrians, the Turks, etc. One great thing you can do is actually go to the gift shop. It's somewhere in the fortress. Google Maps can help you out. And you can rent an audio guide tour. And it's about $3 to rent the device. And it lasts about 90 minutes and takes you through 36 kind of highlights of the fortress, and you get a map. So that's a great way to really see all the highlights and learn the history. You can, for free, climb all over this fortress. So you can kind of see there's different levels. You can see the original walls. Again, you might want to move around your phone if you're not seeing them, but you can actually go all the way down to the main road that you're seeing down there and cross over to the river, which is awesome, and you can walk along the river. So that's another way to get into the fortress. So this was originally filmed in August 2019. So pretty nice warm weather. We recommend you have your water with you, but there's plenty of garbage cans, recycling, etc. for that in the park. So as you can see, you can walk through. The views are stunning. There's so many different paths you can take. So you can see now where the Sava River connects to the Danube, and you walk all around. This is original walls. And you can look around to some of the fortress. They have a little museum in the house there. So there's a lot of different options. One what I'm walking towards now, as you can kind of see in a second. There you go, you're starting to see the white canopy. So there are some things that you have to pay for. So it's a couple dollars, but there's a Roman well, so you can go down and see the well. We did not do that because we were having fun with the free, but you can kind of see, you can walk through all the different original gates and walk all around. So there's plenty to do here. Also, as part of the fortress, there is a free military museum. So you can walk along and see the different machinery. So they have cannons to tanks, missiles, and there's this level down here, and there's actually upper level and a few more throughout. Kind of walking through fast, but Seth is stopping to take pictures of everyone. He is very happy to have found this. Again, totally free. You're able to record, take pictures. They have the information for the dates, etc. There is also the Medieval Torture Instruments Museum, and I believe that was $5. Seth did go tour that and recorded it, so if that's something that you would like to see, let us know in the comments. Again, there's a range of cannons, tanks, etc. So you can see the entrance to the museum there. I believe they close around 6. But you'll have to double check that. Again, we're going through one of the gates right now, but if you look across, there's more cannons and stuff on top of that wall, which you can access. So we're walking through one of the gates now. And you can see the massive original doors. It's just awesome. There's so many gates. We barely showed you any of the fortress. If you want to see more, we'll try to find that footage. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button for us. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And then on Mondays, we'll release our new videos, so our current travel and current cooking. So we'll see you guys later.